Welcome to my YouTube channel Ganji Amarinder. In this video I am going to explaining about the divisibility rules of special numbers. What are the special numbers? 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83 and 93. Now first of all I am taking the divisibility rule of 13. I will explain this with an example. I am taking the number 4, 6, 8. The number. Check this number is divisible by 13 or not. Now the procedure is same. Now the given number divided into two parts. The first part is the 8 is the first part and the remaining numbers are the second part. Now write the second part number as it is. Now multiply the first part number. Here what is the first part number? 8. By which number here? Here divisibility rule of 13. Multiply the first part number by 4. By 4. You remember this one. 8 4 is 32. Now add this 32 to the second part. What is done? 46 plus 32. This is 78. Now again, continue the same procedure. Now this is the first part and this is the second part. Write the second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number again by 4. What is the result? 32. Add to second part. This is 39. The last number 39 is the multiple of 13. Here this number is multiple of 13. So this is divisible by 13. So the given number 468 is also divisible by 13. Now 125931. I am taking one more example. 125931. Now what is the procedure? Apply the procedure. 1 is the first part and the remaining digits are all are second part. Now write the second part number 12593. Now multiply the first part by which number? Here 4. In the divisibility rule of 13, the first part number is multiplying by 4. Now what is the value? 4. Add to second part. This 12597. This is a new dividend. Now again divide it into two parts. This is the second part. This is the first part. Now write the second part as it is and multiply the first part by 4. 7 4 is 28. 7 4 is 28. Add 28 to second part. What is this answer? 1287. Now again divide it into two parts. 7 128. 128 second part. 7 is the first part. 7 4 is 28. Add this 128 plus 28 156. Now again divide it into two parts. 15 is the second part I am taking. Next step. Now multiply the first part number by 4. 6 4 is 24. Add to second part 15. What is this value? 39. 39 is the multiple of 13. So 39 is divisible by 39. 39 is divisible by 13. So this number is also divisible by 13. Now divisibility rule of 23. Now I am taking one example 1288. Now check this number is divisible by 23 or not. Now what is the procedure? This is the first part and this is the second part. Divide the given number into two parts. This is the first and second. Write the second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number here 8. First part is 8. Multiply the first part number in divisibility rule of 23. First part number is multiplying by which number? Multiplying by 7. In divisibility rule of 23, first part number is multiplying by 7. 8 7 is 56. Now add to second part. This is 56. Now what is this value? 6 plus 4, 4, 1, 8, 184. Now divide it into two parts. This is first and second. Now write the second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number by 7. 4 7s are 4 7s are 28. Now add to second part. What is this value? 28 plus 18. 6 46. 46 is the 46 is the multiple of 23. 46 is the multiple of 23. So here the last number is multiple of 23. So this is divisible by 23. 1288 is also divisible by 23. This is now 2215. Check the number 2215 is divisible by 23 or not. Now what is the rule? Now divide the given number into two parts. The last number is 5 is first part and the remaining all are second part. The first step is over. Now step 2 in the divisibility rule of 23 are. What is the step 2? 2219. Write the 2219. This part 2 I am taking. Now what is the part 2? 15. Multiplying by in divisibility rule of 23. Part 1 is multiplying by which number? 7. 5 7s are 35. Now add to second part. 35 adding. Now what is the value? 4 5 2 2 5 4. Now again divide it into two parts. This is one part. 4 is the one part, first part. 225 is the second part. Now write the second part as it is 225. Now multiply the first part by 7. 4 7 are 28. Add to the here 28. 28 plus 25 53. 253. Now again divide it into two parts. First part, second part. Write the second part. Now multiply the first part by 7. In divisibility rule of 23, first part number is multiplying by 7. This is 21. Now add to here 21. 25 plus 21 is 46. 46 is the multiple of 23. 46 is the multiple of 23. So 46 is divisible by 23. 2215 is also divisible by 23. Now divisibility rule of 33. I am taking one example 3168. Now check 3168. The number is divisible by 33 or not. Now see the divisibility rule of 33. Now same procedure here also continue. Divide the given number into two parts. This is 8 is the first part and the remaining numbers are second part. Write the second part as it is 316. Now here first part number is 8. Here first part number is multiplying by which number? Means so here in the divisibility rule of 33, the first part number is multiplying by 10. 10 8s are 80. Add to this. Now 316 plus 8, 396. 380. 80 means 396. Okay, 396. Again divide it into two parts. 6 is the first part, 39 is the second part. 39 multiply 6 into 10, 60. Add to this second part. Now what is this? 99. 99 is the multiple of 33. So 99 is divisible by 33. So 3168 is also divisible by 33. Now divisibility rule of 33 we can say in another way also. Now the given number is divisible by 3 and divisible by 11. Then the number is also divisible. Then the number is divisible by 33. Now what is the divisibility rule of 3? Now sum of the numbers is divisible by 3. The total number is divisible by 3. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 11? The difference of the sum of the digits at even places, sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits at even places, sum of the digits at odd places. The difference is divisible by 11. That is, the number is divisible by 11. So, if this number, sum of these digits is 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So, this number is divisible by 3. Now, what is the sum of the digits at even places? 6 and 3 is sum of the digits even places is 9. Sum of the digits at the odd places is 8 plus 1, 9. Their difference is 9 minus 9, 0. So, 0 is divisible by every number. 0 is divisible by 11. So, 3168 is divisible by 11. So the 3168 divisible by 11 and 3168 divisible by 3. So 3168 is divisible by 33. Okay. Next, I am taking another example. Now divide it into two parts. One is the first part and the remaining are second part. Now write the second part as it is 29591. This is the second part. Multiply the first part in the divisibility rule of 33. In which number first part number is multiplying by 10. So now add to this is second part. Add to it second part. Now 29591 plus 10 means 29601. 29601. Now divide it into two parts. One is the first part and the remaining 2960 is the second part. Write the 2960. 2960. Write the second part as it is. Now first part number is 1 multiplying by 10. Now add to this second part 10. 2970. Now this is the second part, this is the first part. First part number is 0. 0 is multiplying by 10. 0. Add to 0 same number. So 297. Second part number as it is will come. Next, divide this number it into two parts. 7 is the first part, 29 is the second part. Write the second part as it is. Multiply the 7 by, this is 7 is the first part, by 10, 70. Now add to second part. What is 29 plus 70? 99. 99 is the multiple of 33. So this is divisible by 33. 295911 is divisible by 33. Now divisibility rule of 43. I am taking one example 2537. Now explaining the divisibility rule of 43 with an example. Now the procedure is same. Divisibility rule of any number in special numbers. Divide the given number into two parts. That is, this is the first part and the remaining all are second part. That is the step 1. Now write the step 2. What is the step 2? Write the second part as it is. Here 253 is the second part. I am taking second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number by which number here? In the divisibility rule of 43, first part number is multiplying by 13. Multiplying by 13. Now 13 sevens are, what is the 13 sevens are? 91. Now add 91 to 253. 253 means second part. 91. 1 plus 3, 4. 9 plus 5, 4. 344. Now again divide it into two parts. 4 is the first part, 34 is the second part. Write the 34 second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number by 13. 13 4s are 52. Now add to this one. This is 52. 52 plus 34, 86. 86 is the multiple of 43. 43 2s are 86. So this is divisible by 43. 2537 is divisible by 43. Now I am checking. Check the number 38485 is divisible by 43 or not. Now apply the divisibility rule here. Now first part, this is the second part. Write the second part as it is 3848 and multiply the first part number by which number here? 13. 13 5s are 65. Adding 65 to the second part. Adding 65 to the second part. What is the answer? Here 3193913. Now again divide it into two parts. First part, second part. 391. I am writing the second part as it is. Multiply the first part number by 13. 13 3s are 39. Adding to second part. 39 is adding to second part. What is this value? 1 plus 9, 0. 3 plus means 39 plus 39. 391 plus 39 is 430. Okay? Is 430. 430 is multiple of 43 only. 430 means 43 tens are 430. 43 tens are 430. So 430 is, this is divisible by 43. So 38485 is divisible by 43. Now divisibility rule of 53. I am taking one example 4558. I am explaining the divisibility rule with an example. Now, what is the procedure? The same procedure. Take this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay. Now write the second part as it is 455. Now first part number is multiplying by which number in the divisibility rule of 53? The first part number is multiplying by 16. Now what is the 16 eights? 16 eights 128. 128. Now add to second part 128. Okay. Now 8 plus 5 3. 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8. 1 plus 4 5 8 3. This is the 583 new dividend. Now divide it into two parts. 3 is the first part, 58 is the second part. Write the second part 58 as it is. Multiply the first part number, first part 3 by 16. What is 16 3 is the 48. Add to second part 48. 48 9 plus 106. This is 106. For 58 plus 48 106. 106. 106 is the multiple of 53. 53 2s are 106. 53 2s are 106. 106 is divisible by 53. So 455 is divisible by 53. Now see that example 51039. What is the rule? This is the first part. Divide it into two parts. I am taking 9 as first part. Remaining all numbers are second part. That is the step 1. Now write the second part as it is 5103. Now multiply the first part number by which number? Here in the divisibility rule of 53, first part number is multiplying by 16. What is this value? 144. Now adding 144 to the second part. Now 5103 plus 144. 5247. 4 plus 3 7. 4 plus 0 4. 1 plus 1 2. 5247. Now again divide it in two parts. First part 7 is the first part. 524 is the second part. Write the second part 524 as it is. Multiply the first part number by 16. 16 7s are what? 112. 16 7s are 112. Now add 112 to 524. Second part. Now what is this value? 2 plus 4 6. 1 plus 2 3. 1 plus 5 6. 6 3 6. Now again divide it in two parts. This is first part, second part. Write the second part 63 as it is. Multiply the first part number by 16. 16 6 are 96. 16 6 are 96. Add to second part 96. 96 plus 3 159. 96 plus 63 159. Now check the 159 is the multiple of 53. 53 3s are 159. This is divisible by 53. This is also divisible by 53. Now divisibility rule of 63. I am taking one example 6174. Now see the divisibility rule of 63. Now what is the procedure? Same procedure. To continue the same procedure. Divide the given number into two parts. 4 is the first part, remaining is the second part. That is the step 1. Now write the second part as it is 617. Now multiply the first part number by which number here? First part number is multiplying by which number? Here 19. First part number is multiplying by 19 here. 19 4s are. What is the 19 4s are? 76. Now add to 76 to second part. 76. Here in the divisibility rule of 63, first part number is multiplying by 19. So 19 4s are 76. Now add 76 to the second part. What is the result value? 7 plus 6 13. 8 plus 1 9. 6 9 3. Now divide it into two parts. This is first, this is second. Now write the second part as it is. Multiply the first part number by 19. 19 3s are 57. Now add to this one. 57 plus 69. 57 plus 69 is 126. 126. This 126 is the multiple of 63. 63 2s are 126. This is divisible by 126. So 6174 is also divisible by 63. Now check this number, second number, 62181. Now check this number. Now this is the first part, this is the second part. This is the step 1. Now over. Write the step 2. What is the step 2? Write the part 2 as it is, 6218. Now multiply the first part number by which number? 19. 119 is 19. Add to second part. 8 plus 9, 7. 17. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7. 6, 2, 3, 7. Now divide it into two parts. Second. First, second. Now write the second part as it is. Multiply the first part number by 19. What is the answer here? 19 sevens are 70 plus 6, 70 plus 63. 133. 17, 19 sevens are 133. 133. Now add 133 to second part. What is second part? 623. 623 plus 123. 6, 5, 7. 7, 5, 6. Now divide it into two parts. First part, second part. Write the second part as it is. Multiply this 6 by 19. 6 into 19. What is this answer? 60 plus 54. 114. 114. Now add to 75. 114. 114 plus 75. 189. Now observe 189. 189 is the multiple of 63. 63 3s are 189. So this is divisible by 63. This number is also divisible by 63. Now divisibility rule of 73. I explain this with this example. Now I am taking one example as 4745. Check this number is divisible by 73 or not. Now what is the rule? First part name, divide the given number into two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. Now write the second part as it is 474. Now multiply the first part number here what? In which number? Multiply the first part number by here. First part number I am multiplying by 22. The divisibility rule of 73. First part number is multiplying by 22. 22 5s are 110. Now add to second part 110. 0 plus 4 4. 1 plus 7 8. 1 plus 4 5. 584. Now divide it into two parts. This is first, this is second. Now write the second part as it is. Multiply the first part by 22. This is what? 22 4s are 88. Add to 58. Second part. What is this value? 8 plus 8 16. 146. This is 146 is the multiple of 73. 73 2s are 146. This is divisible by 73. So 4745 is also divisible by 73. Now the another example. Now this is also divided into two parts. 7 is the first part and the remaining numbers are second part. Now write the second part number as it is 4153. Now multiply the first part number by 22. First part number. In the divisibility rule of 73, first part number is multiplying by 22. What is the result value? 22 7s are 154. Add 154 to the second part. Now what is the value? 3 plus 4 7. 5 plus 5 10. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. 4307. This is the 4307 is the new dividend. Now again divide it into two parts. 7 is the first part, 430 is the second part. Now write the 430 second part as it is. Multiply the 7 by 22. Again, first part this is. What is the answer? 7 into 22 means 154. Add to second part 154. Now 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 3 8. 1 plus 4 5. 584. Now this is the first part, this is the second part. Multiply the first part number by 4 into 22. This is 88. 88. 96, 146. This is 146. 8 plus 8, 16. 9 plus 5, 46. 146 is the multiple of 73. 146 is divisible by 73. So 41537 is divisible by 73. Now divisibility rule of 83. I am taking one example, 4648. I am checking this number is divisible by 83 or not. Now the procedure is same. Now what is the procedure? First part is 8 and the remaining are second part. Write the second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number by which number? Here 83. 83 is divisibility rule of 83. The first part number is multiplying by 25. Okay, multiplying by 25. 25 8 ja 200. Add 200. 25 8 ja 200. Add 200 to the second part. 200. What is this value? 6 6 4. Now again divide it into two parts. 4 is the first part. 66 is the second part. I am taking second part as it is. Multiplying the first part by 25. 25 4 is 100. Now add 100 to the 66. What is the resultant value? 166. 166 is the multiple of 83. 83 2 is 166. So 166 is divisible by 83. 4648 is also divisible by 83. Now I am taking the second example. Now first part, this is the second part. Now write the second part as it is, 8001, and multiply the first part by 25. First part number is multiplying by 25. What is the value? 50. Adding 50 to the second part. What is this? 8051. Now divide it into two parts. This is first, this is second. Now write the second part as it is. Multiply the first part number by 25. Add to second part. Adding to second part. Adding 25 to the second part. 8 and 5 plus 25. 830. So here 830. 830 is divisible by 83. 83 tens are 830. So 830, this last number is divisible by 83. 8012 is also divisible by 83. Now divisibility rule of 93. Taking one example, 7998. I am checking this number is divisible by 93 or not. Now the same procedure here. What is the procedure? This is the first part and the remaining are second part. Now write the second part as it is, 799. Now what is your first part? 8. In divisibility rule of 93, the first part number is multiplying by in which number? Means 28. 93 is multiplying by 28. 28 8 ja 8 8 ja 64. 8 2 ja 16. 4 224. Adding 224 to 799. Now what is the value? 4 plus 9 3 2 1023. 799 plus 224. 1 is adding 800. 800 plus 223, 1023. Now again divide it into two parts. This is 3 is the first part, 1 or 2 is the second part. Now write the second part as it is. Now multiply the first part number by 28. 3 into 28. 3 into 28. 28. What is the value? This one? 8 3 is 24. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 84. Adding to second part. What is this value? 186. 186. 186 is a multiple of 93. 93 2s are 186. So this is multiple of 93. Means this is divisible by 93. This is divisible by 93 means 7998 is also divisible by 93. Now another example. Now divide it into two parts. This is first part. This is second part. Write the second part as it is, 9179, and the first part number 1 is multiplying by 28. Adding to second part 28. 8 plus 9 17. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 0. 9207. 9207. Now again divide it into two parts. This is first, this is second. Write the second part as it is. Plus 7 into 28. 7 into 28. 7, 5, 8 7 is 56. 7 2 is 14. What is the answer? 196. Now add 196 to 920. What is this? 6 plus 11 plus 11. Double 1, triple 1, 6. This is triple 1, 6. Now divide it into two parts. This is first, this is second. I am taking second part as it is. Plus 6 into 28. 28, 6 are 48. 6 2 are 12. What is this? 168. 168. Now adding 1 plus 8, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 279. 279. 93 is 270. 93 3 is 279. So this is divisible by, last number is divisible by, this is divisible by 93. So given 91791 is also divisible by 93. Okay. Thank you.